Welcome to our first meditation. Sit down in a comfortable position with a straight back. Give your back the chance to get into a straight and comfortable position. If you sit on a chair, place your feet next to each other and flat on the floor. You may now close your eyes. Bring your attention to those parts of the body that are in contact with the chair or the floor. Feel your feet on the ground, your legs on the chair, your hands on your lap. Now focus on the changing sensations in your belly. Notice how your body moves when breathing in and out. If you are practicing for the first time, it can be helpful to put your hand on your belly to experience this feeling. Focus with every inhalation on the rising and with an exhalation on the falling of the breath. Follow the changing sensations in your belly as good as you can. Maybe you notice a short pause between an inhalation and an exhalation, or an exhalation and an inhalation. There's no need to influence the breathing. Just let it go. Try to hold on to this attitude of letting go during the meditation. You don't have to get anything done. You don't have to accomplish anything. Just allow yourself to have your experience as it comes. Sooner or later, your mind will wander. Instead of focusing on your breathing, you focus on your plans, on yesterday, tomorrow. You will focus on whatever it is that is in your head. That is totally fine. It is just what thoughts do. It is not a mistake, nor is it a failure. It can help to determine where you were with your thoughts and then come back to what you are experiencing at this moment. Bring your attention to the bodily sensations around your belly. Intend to keep your attention at the constant breathing. It does not matter how often you wander off. Just get back on track. and focus again on your breathing. Be kind to yourself. It is not a competition. Start to bring your attention back to your body as a whole. Your body and your face. Now slowly open your eyes. Take your time. Welcome back.